Hello everyone, welcome back to our Korean learning video. Today we are going to learn some useful Korean excuses you can use for school and work. Let's start. 숙제가 너무 많아요. This means I have too much homework. This sentence is used when you are overwhelmed with homework. 숙제 means homework, and 너무 많아요 means there is too much. 공부해야 해요. This means I have to study. Use this when you need time to study. 해야 해요 means I have to do. 일이 급해요. This means my work is urgent. Say this when something at work needs immediate attention. 급해요 means urgent. 상사가 부르셨어요. This means my boss called me. Use this to explain that your boss asked for you. 상사 is boss. And 부르셨어요 means called. 마감 때문에 바빠요. This means I'm busy because of a deadline. 마감 means deadline. And 바빠요 means busy. 과제가 늦었어요. This means my assignment is late. Use this when your assignment is overdue. 과제 is assignment. And 늦었어요 means is late. 발표 준비해야 해요. This means I need to prepare for a presentation. 발표 means presentation, and 준비해야 해요 means need to prepare. 학교 일이 생겼어요. This means something came up at school. This is useful when an unexpected school matter happens. 일이 생겼어요 means something came up. 팀 프로젝트가 있어요. This means I have a team project. Use this when you must work with your team. 팀 프로젝트 means team project. 회사에서 늦게 끝나요. This means I finish late at work. Say this when your workday ends late. 늦게 끝나요 means finish late. These sentences are very useful for daily school and work situations. Practice them and you'll sound more natural and Korean. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!